What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today we're going to cook loaded mashed potatoes, one of my favorites. So for this recipe, all you need is potatoes, sour cream, real bacon. You can buy the real bacon in the bag, or you can use the regular bacon, just cook it and crumble it up. You need chives, cheese, and that's it. Let's get started. So I have my pot of water here, and I'm going to turn my eye on 6. I have already peeled my potatoes. My potatoes, they are peeled. So I'm just gonna place them on my slicer, and I'm just gonna slice them. And I'm just slicing them because it's just going to cut down the boiling time. That's all. That is it. It just cuts down the boiling time. Slice it this way. Maybe not. Maybe I do need to slice it this way. I'm just trying to slice it where I'm not getting cut. Don't have to be pretty or fancy. All right, last one. So I had 3 potatoes. You know, you can use however many potatoes you want to use. Just all depends on, I'm making a mess. All depends on how much mashed potatoes you want. So I use 3 large potatoes. Okay. That was really messy because I have water everywhere. But anyways, next all we're going to do is you're going to add a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of butter. So I have 2 tablespoons of butter here. And that's just a sprinkle of salt. Now all we're going to do is we're going to allow that to come to a hard boil. You don't want your potatoes too soft, but you want them soft enough to mash. So we're going to boil them for about 10 minutes and see where we at. So our potatoes has been boiling for 10 minutes now. They're nowhere near being done right now, so we're just gonna continue to let them boil for another 10 or 15 minutes. I am going to turn my eye from 6 to 9. Our potatoes are at a hard boil, and they've been boiling for about 10 minutes, and they are soft and tender, so they are ready to be turned off and drained. So I'm just going to turn them off and drain them. So I have strained my potatoes, so you guys can see. Strain my potatoes, which they are still hot. So next I'm going to add a little sour cream. Sour cream. Add butter. Little black pepper. A little salt. Okay. And a little milk. And we're gonna mix this to see what we need to add. So I'm just taking my spatula, going around the sides, getting the potatoes off the sides. So you guys can see a little better. Alright, take that off. I'm gonna check it. Okay. So I'm gonna take this off for a second. And I'm just gonna smash the potatoes up just a little more. And you taste your potatoes and see what you want to add, see what you want to take away. Well, you can't take nothing away. See what you want to add. I'm going to add another scoop of sour cream. I'm going to definitely add some more salt because it's very bland right now. Salt, a little more milk, and we're gonna blend that together. Turn it up, it'll blend a little bit better. Okay, there we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Now I got my potatoes all blended. now I'm gonna taste them and see what it needs. Perfect. Now at this time, I gotta go get my cheese. Sprinkle my cheese in here. Gonna sprinkle my chives. And my bacon. And I'm gonna, well, you don't have to blend it, you can, or you can just take your mixing spoon and mix it all in there together. And you save a little cheese, a little bacon, and a little chives for the topping. But you definitely want to make sure you get some inside. So I'll screw this off. It should look something like that. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video of my loaded mashed potatoes. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please go subscribe below, comment, also hit the like button. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.